from the fields to the throne. The shepherd's song still rises. I was hidden in the fields alone, no crown, no name, just sheep and stone. While men look strong, you saw my heart. You chose me long before the start. Oil ran down in my simple place, while brothers watched in quiet amaze. Not by stature, not by might, but by a heart that burns for light.
You don't see the way men do. You're searching deep for something true. Not perfect hands, but lifted praise. A heart that longs for all your ways. Give me a heart after you.
More than a crown, more than a throne. I just wanna walk with you, even if I stand alone. Take my song, take my life, be my strength in every fight. Lord, whatever you wanna do, give me a heart after you. After you, only you, only you. My desire, my desire. I faced a giant full of pride, armor heavy, fear inside. But I remember lions, bears, how you met me everywhere. I didn't need the king's disguise. I had your name, my weapon of choice. One small stone, one faithful cry, and the giant fell before my eyes.
Battle's not for flesh and fame. It's won by trusting in your name. When worship walks onto the field, every enemy must kneel. Give me a heart after you,
That trusts you when the odds are high. When giants stand in front of me, I lift my praise before I fight. You are my shield, my victory, my song in adversity. Lord, whatever you wanna do, give me a heart after you. You are my strength. I danced before the ark of God, forgot my pride, forgot my crown. If loving you looks foolish now, I'd rather praise than be renowned. Harps and psalms poured out my soul,